Hey guys, and welcome back to Just So I Put Vlogs. Thanks for joining me again. Today I've decided to begin the process of reorganizing my life, and I figured I'd begin with my home space. So I've started taking some clutter out. I already donated 2 bags of full trash, two full trash bags of clothes and just stuff to Salvation Army. I cleared out this dresser here, and I cleared out my 2 nightstands that look like that, 2 drawers. So now I have to do a full closet. There's way too much stuff in there. So yeah, that's step 1, is declutter and reorganize / renovate. So I've asked my dad to help me with this. We're gonna go to Home Depot, kind of just revamp the place. So let's see what we come up with. So the first order of business was cleaning everything out. That included my nightstands, my throw pillows, everything that was around the room, and also cleaning it up. Okay, people, we switched out my dad for my mom. And we had a bust in the first place. And now we're going to Home Goods. So we went to Home Goods. This was our first stop of many. And we looked at some chairs. We didn't get any, but we got some throw pillows. We got like a few decorative stuff. And then we were done for the day, actually. And it keeps getting better. It only gets better. So we're now entering day 2 of the room renovation. Yesterday we took out a bunch of stuff. So we took out nightstands. We took out the rug that was underneath my bed, and we took out the frames and all of that were on the walls, and we replaced everything. Right now that's just a temporary table. Got that little frame. Got rid of my hamper too, sorry. We got that throw there. We got that the throw pillows. I ordered a duvet cover, and then we are probably gonna put some pictures on the wall. I have all my stuff that was on my nightstands over here. So gonna have to find a nightstand, gonna have to find a new dresser. This light will be getting gone. And, oh, we got this rug here too. So today we're gonna go to some furniture stores, try and find the dresser. Try and find the dresser, the nightstands, and a few other things, light, hamper, little things to like spruce up the room. And it keeps getting better. It only gets better. Okay guys, I've been here before. This place is so big. El Dorado Furniture. Look how big it is. This is only one out of like 12 different rooms. Let's see if we can find anything. No luck so far. We have an old Chevy and a furniture store. I kind of like it. I don't know, because it has the gray and the brown. Oh, I like that. It's a candle. Ooh, that's nice. No, there. I felt it as soon as I. Oh, I like that.
You like that better than that?
It only gets better. Okay, it's officially day 3 of renovating, and we're at. Actually, why don't you guess? Guess down below. So we got a big mirror, and looking for a chair and some throws. So I got my duvet cover on Amazon. It came in on day 3, so I replaced it. And does anyone really know how to put these things on? They're pretty much impossible. Okay, so this weekend, I went furniture shopping with my parents. We ended up hopping from place to place to place to place to place. And the place that we ended up getting the furniture at finally was the clearance store, like the outlet of Macy's furniture store. So we got a whitewash dresser, like a chest of drawers, and a nightstand. The nightstand didn't exactly match the dresser, but we thought it would be fine because where the nightstand is going is behind where nothing's going to be seen. So other than that, all I have to pick up now is a plant and also a chair, because I want to do like a little reading working corner where I can, like, again, reorganizing myself, reorganizing my life. So I want to be able to work and like get things done in my room, in like a little corner where I have a little table and, you know, like I can have my coffee, whatever. So I'm about to pick up the dresser. First, I'm getting some fuel in me, and then I'll go pick up the dresser and I'll show you guys that on here. Oh, and if you just saw the montage that I did, I'm so proud of myself for installing the door handle into my room. I haven't had a lock in my room for like 11 years or something, like insane like that. So it's pretty cool to be able to install my own door handle. I'm pretty proud of myself.
How you doing?
Hi.
Here for a pickup?
Yeah. So I'm not in my new room, I'm actually in IKEA. Next up, to find a chair and a table, maybe an ottoman and a plant. Let's see if I can find them. It has felt so good to wake up in my newly renovated room. Of course, I still have some things to do. I have to hang up my paintings. I'll show you that. So that's no longer gonna be pink because that doesn't match the aesthetic. I'm gonna probably put something up here, like a little plant wall. This light, which I've had since 1996 or something, is gonna be replaced for like a bamboo light. I already bought it, just have to get somebody to install it. But I'm so happy with my new room, and it felt so good to start the process of reorganizing my life. Don't forget to subscribe to see the rest of my process on how to reorganize my life. And don't forget to swipe up